Hello friends, welcome back to Educational Video Corner. In this video, I am answering one of the Microsoft Power Automate desktop application problem with solution. Before going to the video, please hit the subscribe button. Our problem statement is, first of all, we launch the URL. So our URL is https://booking.com. So first of all, we launch this website. After, you can extract the data from web page and then save the Excel spreadsheet. After we have closed the web browser and then close the Excel. This is our problem statement. So guys, just to give a small demo in this problem, may not how it work. After we have moved to the Power Automate desktop solution. So guys, just I open the Microsoft Edge. You see this, just I enter the https://booking.com. This is the given web page. So first we launch this website. I said it step by step. First of all, launch this website. After, in this place, we enter the any place name. See this, where are you going? Some city's name. So now today in our automation, I enter the Ooty. Just enter the Ooty in. After, click the search button. If you enter the Ooty, after click the search button, now see this. Here number of the voters names there are available. So we have scrubbed the following water elements we are scrubbing. First of we are scrubbing in this hotel name and then kilometers, that is location and description. We have scrubbed the data from this in this website. So guys, now I am saying how to handle those things in Microsoft Power Automate desktop. So now I have opened the Power Automate desktop. So just I click it. Now see this. This is the Power Automate main window. So I click new flow. So I give the name as web extraction. Web extraction is a flow name. Just I click the create. This created flows. This now I create the web extraction. See this one is our main tool and then this is our flow page. I click the flow page and I extract it. So now see this. Near left hand side there are a number of multiple flows is there. Near Power Automate desktop we have more than 380 plus flows are available. If you want suppose we can create it, but now we create the only main flow. First time we launch the Microsoft Edge any web browser automation. Now you see this. I click the browser automation. There are a number of elements there. One is launch new Firefox, launch new Chrome, launch new Microsoft Edge. Guys, if you want anything, you can use it. But now I am using the launch new Microsoft Edge, and just I drag and drop it the workflow page. Just I click and drag it. So we are launched the Microsoft Edge. I explain what are those things are available in this flow. Launch mode. Just I click in this place. See this, there are two instances there. One is launch new instance attached to running instance. Launch new instance, it means you can give a URL initially. If it is a new instance that is attached to running instance, it's already exist one. So but now we are using the launch new instance. So I click the launch new instance. So I click it. In this one, initially you enter the URL name https://https booking.com. Windows state, there are three mode of Windows states. Normal, maximized and minimized, but now I am using maximized. Now I click the advanced. See this, clear cache, clear cookies, a number of those things are out there. If you anything you want, you can name for this, you can use it. Just we go through it. Time out of a page load. See this. If you want, you can give the less time, but now I give 15 seconds. If more than 50 seconds, it will get the error. So if a pop-up dialog appears, do nothing. See this, close it, press a button, do nothing. If you anything you want, you can click it. But now I am things there. Timeout is 60 seconds. So those things are there. Now variable produce, it is a browser is a variable produce. It is our flow variable name. So if you want, you can change it. But now it's okay. But I can't change it. It is a flow name. Flow produce variable. So now save it. Now I am running it. This is a run button. You can just click it. See this. So page is loaded. So guys, successfully we launched the in this website. So in this right hand side, you see this. You see input and output variables there. It is a manual enter, and then flow variables. Browser is our flow variable, guys. So now in this place we entered some test field. So we select this test field in our flow accents. So I just enter the populate test field. See this. There are two. One is form filling is populate test fields in Windows there, and the populate test field on web page. So now we are using the web page. So I drag and drop in this field. So there are a number of populate fields there. Now see this web browser instance. There are our flow variable is browser is there automatically there. So now just I click enter. So browser is our flow variable. So view element in this place, just click the enter the add view element. So now I entered. So now see this. I open the small view element picker in this is open. So I move inside. So guys, now you can click and press the control of pick the field. So now I cancel it. Sorry, scrub the populate test field on web page and browser, add a UI element, and then press control and then click the left side. See this now, wait the action. So our UI element is loaded. Now say this. Sorry guys. Now actually I can't enter the test field. So if you can't enter the test field, got error. Now see this, we got the error. So in the test field, we enter the field. So now I enter the OT. Next save it. Now see this, if every time we loaded, so now that website is open there. So I want to close the browser. So I search the close web browser. So I drag and drop it. So our web browser instance is a browser. Now see this is just like so. I click and save it. So now I run it. See this. Now launch the website and then enter the OT. After that web browser is closed. But now I want to click the search field. So I want to enter another field. Click link and web page. So I want the access, click website. So click link and web page. I drag the below the popular test field. So I want to view element. So just add a element. Click add a element. Open the field and then select that field and then press the control button and then click the left side. So here element is added. See this click type is left side. Left click is there. There are a number of clicks there. Left click, right click, double click. If you want any access, you can click it. But now I am using the left click. So save it. So now I run it. So first of all, launch the website. And then enter the location name OT. After we get error. Sorry guys, we get error. So we said the field is wrong way. What happened? Okay. So search is there. I say this. Another time run it. Right. Okay. Our website launched. So guys, we got, I think I open it. Now we got error in this field, subflow line 3. So guys, we got error in line 3. First I click and then add a UV element. Click, sorry guys, just control. Now action is loaded. Now save it. I run it. Putty. Oh, now search button is clicked. Now see this. Search button clicked after the browser is closed, guys. Sometimes if you got error in our UV elements, you can select another time. That's a now we want to scrub the data. We want to scrub the data scene. Sorry, I closed it. All of those. We want to scrub the in this details. So now we yes, extract the data from. We want to extract the data from web page. So now I enter the action name, extract data, extract data from web page, get details of web page, get details of element in web page, take screenshot of web page, but we want only extract data from web page. So now we open the website, and then so guys, you can't just I open the Power Automate. You can't say this. Now you can go to the web page, and then you place the what the element you want. You place this field, and then click right side, wait for action, and the extract element value, and then get test. Now see this, and the water name is extracted. Same. Now see this. Place the second one. Place the place, and then click the right side button in our mouse. After extract the element values, get the test. Now see this. All the hotels names were scrubbed. 15 hotels name is scrubbed. Now same thing. We can place the rating and click right side and then extract the data value and then get the test. Now see this value 2 is scrubbed. If you want to change it, you can change it, but now I can't change it. You can see all of those things in next another video. Now ratings, and then ratings are yes good. Okay guys, we scrub the ratings. Now we scrub the reviews. Take the wait for action and extract the element value, and then get the test. Now see the third element is clicked. Now kilometers there. Distance we scrub the distance. Now place this field, and then click the right side button, extract the element values, and then click this. Now we scrub the initially it is difficult, but if you practice well, it is very easy, guys. We extract the data in this website, guys. So after we completed we have finished the work, we can click the finish. Now I am finished. After save it. See this. In this one web browser instance, our flow action is browser. I bring in, so you can see this synapses of data. Data be extracted. Extract record is in a form of a 5 column table. Press data for extract. If you want, you can press data when extraction is. You can click on or off. Timeout is 67. Sorry guys, 60 seconds. Store data mode is variable. Variable put this data from web page. Now I click this. So data from web page. Now we can click the save. So now I run it. You can run and verify your answer is step by step base. If any error, you can rectify it. Pantability and then click on. So now it's completed, but I made small mistake guys. So guys, sorry guys, so store data mode is only variable. Now I want to store the data mode as Excel spreadsheet. Now I click it, save it. Now I run it. Now we have opened all the data in Excel sheet. Loading. Enter the name OT. Click the search button, and then scrub the details. See this guys. So all the details are loaded in the Excel. Now see this. I extract this one. See this all the data is stored in the Excel sheet. Now I want to save in this data in this specific folder. Now I want to save the specific folder get I launched. Now we have entered the action is get special folder. See this guys. You can select the which folder you want. You can select it. Desktop, mains, history. If you want, now I just I entered document. Okay, special folder path is same. Users forward OneDrive desktop is our folder path, and then variable is save. And then after I want to close the Excel, I want to click the action as close Excel. So this close web browser, close world, close the number of access there. I want only close Excel. Now our Excel instance is Excel instance. And then before closing Excel, do not save document, save document. There are different options. There are 3 different options there. Save document as I entered. Default form is. So now I am saving this form in. And now I am save this file as CSV file.csv. Document path is 1 minute guys. I save in this path. Just I copy the path, copy as a path. Enter. I remove the colon and then write slash practice. Practice is our simple name. So now I save it. So now users Power OnePlay desktop nodes Power Automate practice. Save it. Now I have run it. So this is our Excel is open closed. Now I open the folder name. So we have saved in this file location. See this, we have saved the CSV file practice. Now I open it. So this all the fields are saved in our system, local system. Guys, I hope in this video is very helpful. Actually, guys, I currently start to learn the Microsoft Power Automate. So in this purpose, if I learn any new concept, I day to day I update in my YouTube channel. Guys, I hope in this video is very helpful for you. If helpful, please hit the subscribe button and then share with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Guys, I hope in this video is very helpful for you. If helpful, please share with your friends and families. Thank you. Bye. See you later.